Welcome back student in my YouTube channel Account Expert. I am Santosh Misra, and student, in this video I am going to discuss the practical questions on accounting treatment of accumulated reserve on the admission. If partner want to distribute the accumulated profit and reserves, at that time what treatment we will do, we will see in question number 54 and 55. So student, in question number 54, A, B, C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:2:1. On 1st April 2020, they admitted Z for 1/4 share. Z is new partner. And on the date of admission, the following item appears in their balance sheet: general reserve 1,50,000, workman compensation reserve 40,000, and credit balance of PL account. It is the accumulated profit and it has credit balance, and it is shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Then PL account credit balance 60,000, and advertisement suspense account debit balance 25,000. It is the deferred revenue expenditure, use expenditure on advertisement. That's why it will be recorded in the asset side of the balance sheet. It has debit balance 25,000. So student, this is all about the question. So for solving this question, general reserve account debit, workman compensation reserve account debit, and profit and loss account debited. All the reserve which has credit balance will be in the debit side of the journal entry. We will debit it, and to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account, the partners distribute these reserves in their old partners in their old ratio. This is the accounting treatment of accumulated profits. Accumulated profit will be distributed in the partners capital in their old ratio. Because why it will distributed only in old partner? Because these reserves had been created from the previous profit, which is related to only old partner. That's why these reserves will be distributed in old partners in their old ratio. To A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital, capital account will increase by the distribution, and 1,50,000, 60,000, 40,000, total 2,50,000, and 2,50,000 will be distributed in old ratio, that is 2:1:1. Then 2/5, 2,50,000 into 2:2:1, 2/5 and 1/5, and 1 lakh and 1,50,000 will be created in A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account respectively. For the advertisement suspense account, it has debit balance. That's why for writing of the advertisement suspense, we have to create advertisement suspense account by 25,000, and for this advertisement suspense account, the partner's capital will reduce. That's why I am debiting all partners capital account in their old ratio, 1,10,000, 10,000, and 5,000 being advertisement account transferred to capital account to old partner in old ratio. क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं था, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है। ये चैप्टर 2 में ऑलरेडी डिस्कस है, बट फिर भी हम लोग इसको एक बार फिर से देखते हैं। जनरल रिजर्व, वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, इन सब का क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है। इनको राइट ऑफ करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा सर? इनको हमको डेबिट करना पड़ेगा। हमने यहाँ पे इनको डेबिट किया, और इस वजह से ये सब अब बैलेंस शीट से हट गए, और इनका सबका बैलेंस कहाँ चला गया? पार्टनर के कैपिटल अकाउंट में कैपिटल इंक्रीज कर गई। तो ए बी सी में तीनों में ओल्ड रेशियो में बढ़ गया। ओल्ड रेशियो वाज 2:2:1, और 2,50,000 टोटल हमने इस रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया। इसी तरीके से 25,000 का एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस था, इसका डेबिट बैलेंस होता है और राइट ऑफ करने के लिए, बैलेंस शीट से हटाने के लिए हम इसको क्या करेंगे, क्रेडिट करेंगे। और ये 25,000 जब हम क्रेडिट करेंगे तो पार्टनर का कैपिटल रिड्यूस हो जाएगा और ये सारी चीजें ओल्ड रेशियो में ये भी बढ़ जाएगा 25,000 ऐसा। तो इन दिस वे वी विल सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन accumulated profits and losses. Now in question number 55, this is another question. I have not book, that's why I am going through with the mobile. P and Q were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1 is the old ratio, and on the April 1st April 2020 they admitted R as a new partner, and new partner profit sharing ratio after the admission of new partner, the new ratio will 3:1:1. थैंक यू गॉड, क्योंकि इसमें न्यू रेशियो ऑलरेडी दे दिया गया, न्यू रेशियो इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। आर ब्रॉट इन 2 लाख एज हिज कैपिटल, आर 2 लाख कैपिटल के लिए लाया एंड 60,000 एज हिज शेयर फॉर प्रीमियम ऑफ गुडविल। तो प्रीमियम गुडविल का उसका खुद का शेयर कितना था, 60,000। And on the date of R's admission, the balance sheet of P and Q shows a credit balance of 45,000 in profit and loss account, and workman compensation reserve was 80,000. 80,000 WCR का बैलेंस था, and it was agreed that there was a claim of workman compensation for 50,000. 80,000 का रिजर्व था, 50,000 का क्लेम था, तो रिमेनिंग 30,000 अगर बचा वो पार्टनरों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा ओल्ड रेशियो में, ठीक। सो फॉर द सॉल्यूशन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो, ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो। ओल्ड रेशियो वाज 2:1, 2/3 and 1/3, and new ratio was 3:1:1, means 3/5, 1/5, and R is new partner. There is no need to calculate the gaining or sacrificing ratio. We are only calculate the sacrificing ratio. That's why P and Q 2/3 minus 3/5, 1/15, and 1/3 minus 1/5, 2/15. Then 1:2. 1:2 is the sacrificing ratio. When partner bring capital and his share of goodwill, the entry will pass bank account debit to R's capital account to premium for goodwill. R brings 2 lakh as his capital and 60,000 for his share in goodwill as premium for goodwill. Then 2,60,000 bank will increase by 2,60,000, and R's capital 2 lakh and premium for goodwill 60,000. Now the being capital and goodwill brought by R new partner. Premium for goodwill debit. Premium for goodwill debit. Now old partner will distribute this premium for goodwill in their sacrificing ratio. That's why premium for goodwill account debit to P's capital account to R's capital account to Q's capital account in their sacrificing ratio 2:1. 2:1 being goodwill premium for goodwill distributed in old partner in their sacrificing ratio. Now in question the PL account has a credit balance of 45,000. For the transferring this balance to the partner capital account, we will debit the PL account 45,000 to P's capital account to Q's capital account in old partner in their old ratio. Then being profit transferred to capital account in old ratio in old partner. Now the most important portion of the question, WCR, workman compensation reserve account debit 80,000. We have already the workman compensation reserve for rupees 80,000, and the firm admitted a claim of 50,000. Then we will made a provision for claim 50,000, and after that the remaining 30,000 50,000 will be distributed in the P and Q in their old ratio, because accumulated profit and reserve will be transferred in old partner in their old ratio. Being provision for claim made for 50,000 and balance 30,000 distributed in old partners in their old ratio. तो इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ भी नहीं था, ओल्ड न्यू दोनों रेशियो दिया हुआ था, हमने सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो निकाल लिया, फिर कैपिटल लाने की और प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल लाने की एंट्री हमने की, बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू आस कैपिटल टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल, ये हमने एंट्री पास कर दी। अब ये प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, तो यहाँ डेबिट हो गया और पार्टनर की कैपिटल इंक्रीज कर जाएगी, इस वजह से हमने इसको क्रेडिट कर दिया, और जो पीएल अकाउंट का क्रेडिट बैलेंस था उसको राइट अप करने के लिए, उसको खत्म करने के लिए, ट्रांसफर करने के लिए कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम उसको डेबिट करेंगे और ओल्ड पार्टनर का कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट कर देंगे इन दियर ओल्ड रेशियो। और वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन रिजर्व 80,000 का गुल्लक बना हुआ था और गुल्लक में 80,000 पैसा था, क्लेम आया 50,000, गुल्लक फोड़ेंगे 50,000 दे देंगे क्लेम के लिए, वो प्रोविजन मैंने एक लायबिलिटी मेंटेन कर दी, और उसके बाद ये पी और क्यू का जो 20,000 और 10,000 ये है, ये बाकी 30,000 जो गुल्लक का पैसा है वो क्या हो जाएगा, बढ़ जाएगा ओल्ड पार्टनर पी क्यू में इन दियर ओल्ड रेशियो। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द accounting treatment of accumulated profit and loss. Thank you.